Welcome, dear viewers. I, Mrs. Amita Ravi, would like to share the steps to create a Google Classroom as a teacher and add students as well as co-teachers as member of the classroom. So let's start. For creating a Google Classroom, the very first step is to download Google Classroom from Play Store. In the Play Store, we may need to mention Google Classroom. It would show green and yellow color icon. Next step is to click on the install button. It would take certain seconds to install the app on your Android as well as iOS mobile phone. Once it gets installed, the open button would be activated. Just click on the open button to see the interface of the app. The very first screen allows us to start by clicking on the Get Started button. As you can see, it's asking to sign in choosing a mail account. Therefore, I have chosen my mail account. Clicking on OK. This would allow us to create and use our Google Classroom. The very first screen shows us the plus icon at the bottom right corner. When you click on the plus icon, you can see two options are available: create class as well as join class. Join class option is for the students to join us as the member. So being a teacher, I'm clicking on create class option. This now requires to enter the name of the class, the section of the class, room number and the subject. Once all these details are entered, can click on the create button. This would help us to create our class group, in which further we are going to add on teachers as well as students as the member of this classroom, which would allow us to share various information. Now, as you can see on my screen, a group with the name 10C is available. At the bottom right corner, it shows us the option like classwork, people, stream. We need to click on people and select teachers or students' mail ID for adding them in the classroom. So clicking on student add tab, I can type the mail ID of different students of my classroom and click on the invite button on the top right corner. Once we click on the invite tab, these students will receive a notification on their email. Next, they would require to enter class code for joining the class group. So we as a teacher need to provide them the class code. For that, we need to go to our class group and from the setting button, general option, we can copy this class code and share with our students using Gmail or WhatsApp. In case if you wish to change your class code after sharing with a certain group of students, the more button in the general tab gives us this option. We have disable invite codes or reset invite code. Any of these could be selected. Following these steps, we can create our class group, and now using the share with your class option, various informations can be shared. We need to mention a heading, whatever you wish to share. As I am mentioning here, timetable, and from the attach icon on the top, I can select any file from the drive, any picture from my mobile, any video saved in the gallery, even a document file saved in phone, or a link to a particular web page. For example, I'll show to attach a uploaded file. Here I am selecting a file as an image. See, it would take certain seconds to get attached, and finally that could be shared with the group members. This way, Google Classroom could be a good medium for sharing various resources as a teacher to the student, as well as the classwork tab allows us to create assignment questions and materials which could be posted to our students. The interface of questions is quite similar to the Google Forms which we have been using as a interface for checking our students' capabilities. So I hope, friends, you all would be able to create classroom and communicate with our students. Thank you.